Now he mentions Sandoka. See, in a sane society, the one that Sandoka saw it. Me with Sandra there. Oh, me have a Yeye boy UK talk. Then the one that saw it. Collins, I am sorry. I did not wish you happy birthday. Mobile cartel, local cartel. It's a local sue. The way I'm going to Yeye. He may want to Sandoka sue. Why me young people neglecting talent? Why pushing her? Don't tell me to leave Sandra. The friend of my enemy is my enemy. That's what it just be. My friend Sandra, I carry all say. Any of them, Yeye. I don't be Sandra mate. She don't respect me. So don't tell me I don't mention Sandra. Because Collins mentions Sandra to slight me. To spoil my name. Then he mentions Osakunokwo. Osakunokwo is your gang member. All of them they play the game for Pobai together. And I don't be gonna frustrated lunatic. Now I don't even start this fraud for Europe. They're going to sleep blessing house, they chop blessing money. I pursue her. I pursue her. And we go come up for Europe. If you are the best like Europe, since that time, I'm going to enter Europe again. If you come from there, you can't cross enter UK. I pursue her come for UK. I stopped in Aramigo from selling ID card to our brothers when they inside Abduro house. It was deceiving them. Say with PFA uniform, PFA cap, PFA ID.
But leave Sandoka alone. Leave Sandoka alone, but this your own door past Joromi. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, you go subscribe so that you go to hear many ogbonge news where the comments for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Abat. I don't know what Abat see you. Abat want just finish everybody for those states. If you enter here, Abat. If you enter here, Abat. What is Sandoka can still do you again now, Abat? Now Sandoka, you want to do saga now. Sandoka and you now the same thing that they do. The poor guy they do music. You don't want to let them drink water, make keep cup. Abat, leave Edo people alone. You just want make only you want to do everything. This the way you say you not like foundation. You the pity for us where they diaspora. How come now the foundation you can't do now? But Sandoka they do this thing foundation. But leave Sandoka alone. Leave her alone. But this your own door pass Joromi. Leave him alone. Leave him alone, my people. Mona help me talk to Abat. Wagume go Abat. If gonna always say Sandoka Osakunokwo, you know let Andrew Kota make keep cup. Everybody for that those states Abati. Again ya boy for Abati. Mona watch this video with me, my people. Mona know why the
informant is tapping. Yes, if you dey watch me now, maybe you and the colleagues they do make swagbe for phone. I bet ask her who be Luna Idia. Luna Idia. I get many other things. Well, I know we'll talk am. I know we'll talk and finish today. Now, see my phone, they see everywhere don't full. Now, why Collins want try paint me bad? He want make me feel like say I dey fight everybody. I want to correct that impression. There are a lot of Edo doing social media that I have never fought. There are those doing music that I've never fought. There are a lot that I am promoting. Comedians, actors. If you are hustling legitimately and you are doing well, I will promote you. But if you are a fraud, you want to come online, come deceive my people, I will expose you. Drag me to any court. You will be humiliated and you will be disgraced. Now he mentioned Sandoka. See, in a sane society, the one that Sandoka saw it. Me make me when Sandra there. Oh my God, I have a UK talk. Then the one that saw it. I am Collins. I am sorry. I did not wish you happy birthday. But by cartel, local cartel. It's Sandoka sue. Luwayamo yewebo. Ime wale Sandoka sue. Why young people neglect talent? Why pushing her? Don't tell me to leave Sandra. The friend of my enemy is my enemy. That's what it just be. My friend Sandra, my carry all say. Any of them, Yeye. I know the Sandra mate. She don't respect me. So don't tell me I don't measure Sandra. Because Collins measures Sandra to slight me. To spoil my name. Then he measures Sakunokodi. Sakunokodi na your gang member. Now of them they play the game for Pobai together. And Amigo now frustrated lunatic. The Megworo now Amigo start this fraud for Europe. They go to sleep blessing house, they chop blessing money. I pursue her. I pursue her. Amigo come up for Europe. If you are the best like Europe. Since that time, I'm going to enter Europe again. If you come from there, you can't cross enter UK. I pursue come for UK. I stopped Amigo from selling ID card to our brothers when they inside Abduro house. It was deceiving them. Say with PFA uniform, PFA cap, PFA ID card, the police stop you. I stopped the madness. Everybody can't help you here, door. And I mean, what you boo, who are you burying? Say, the Suwana Buwan. Everybody can you why you be a barrier. I pursue an amigo. Other people want start foundation for Europe. They don't frustrate. They don't start foundation. I pursue the passers. They call it mention an amigo. I mean, an amigo will call Nigeria where fear no let her enter Benin. A Boston where you mention not be near a Boston go Lagos. Maybe where Boston will be na Yerule Buwa. I think me where Bo Yegbere. if they tell me I able to play, by this time when they go from hotel to hotel, they look for Jado, they go. It won't use me, they do what I not sabi do. I don't know to be so person who are contrary or get me highway or seven American can we you since December I never go greet any this December. Jado don't food the town. We meet for party, we meet for bar. I told me say about you we say. Now everybody last year everyone was using me to go from hotel to hotel. Ya re woo. After I didn't go out on my hey. Useless life. Yeah, so what did they tell you? They measurable. What should that person measure? Apostle, who you know, sir? It make who you know, sir? Who you know, sir? Because they use engineer level, then they chop people money. See, oh my God, oh God. And we continue to expose you all. Una will not get good intentions towards our people. And we continue to expose you all.